In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a call option on Charles Schwab. So the first thing you want to do is go to Charles Schwab's website, and then you want to sign into your account. Of course, you'll have to log in to be able to do this. And then you want to hover over the trade button up here, and then from the trade button, you want to go into options, which is this third option over here. So click on options, and once you're in here, you'll have to select a few things. First over here, it's going to be your account. So over here, this one's selected as main options, but if you click on this button over here, you'll be able to basically select your account which you want to use. Now, once you've done this, you will have to enter in the symbol. So you'll have to basically put in what you would like to buy. And then the strategy should be on call, because we're of course doing a call option over here. Now, once you do that, a few more things will open. This example over here shows it for Intel. So as you can see, this is INTC. This is Intel Corp. Of course, you can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you how to do this. And from here, under action, you want to select action. You have a few different ones available over here. Of course, you can select whichever one you want, but if you want to buy it, you will likely click buy to open. Now, after you click buy to open, this will become like this. So it will say buy to open, and then you'll have to basically set your quantity over here. And then once you set your quantity, it will give you the amount you are buying over here. So this one over here, this is how much you will have to pay. Now, over there, you can also select your order type. So if you want a limit, you can do that, but you can also click over here and select a different order type, and then your limit price as well as timing, in case you were doing the limit order. In case you're not, of course, you likely won't be able to see this. Now, after you do that, after you're happy with everything you've put here and you are okay with the estimated amount, you want to click on review order, which is this button over here. And after you do that, basically it will show on your screen. All the summary will be on your screen, everything you need to know. And then at the very bottom right, just like this place over here, you'll see it will say place order, change, or cancel. So you can either cancel, you can change if you want to change anything in case in the summary there's something that's not correct, or if everything is fine, you can just click on place order over here, and you have successfully bought a call option on Charles Schwab. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.